think probably most people know Houston, Dallas, and Austin.
And often, yeah.
There are many cities, like small cities and small towns, but I didn't know that. But pretty much, yeah, Houston is international city.
So this area over here is called Chinatown.
Oh, Chinatown is
They have restaurants
everywhere.
over there. Yeah, they have restaurants over there.
Yeah. How about Koreatown then?
It's off of Bel Air.
Oh, okay.
It's the southwest side.
So many Koreans live here, like downtown or.
Not in downtown, but in our southwest side. Korean, Philippine,
China.
Japanese,
Okay.
Chinese. They all live mostly that way.
Yeah.
Because they have the streets. They changed the street names and everything over there.
Yeah.
That's where our basketball team play.
NBA.
Yeah.
What's the name of the team?
Houston Rockets.
Houston Rockets. Oh.